this video, I'll show you how to create a custom resolution in NVIDIA Control Panel, step by step. If you want to increase your refresh rate or add a resolution that isn't available by default, this method will help you do it quickly. So let's get started. First, open the NVIDIA Control Panel. Once it opens, go to the Display section and click on Change Resolution. After that, click on Customize and then select Create Custom Resolution. Now you'll see several options where you can create your own resolution. At the top, you'll find horizontal pixels and vertical lines. These two values define your screen resolution. For example, 1920 by 1080 means the screen width is 1920 pixels and the height is 1080 pixels. Next, you'll see the refresh rate option. The refresh rate determines how many times your screen refreshes per second. For example, 60 Hz is the standard refresh rate, but if your monitor supports higher refresh rates like 75 Hz, 120 Hz, or 144 Hz, you can increase it for a smoother experience. Below that, you'll see options like color depth, scan type, and timing. These are advanced settings, and in most cases you don't need to change them because NVIDIA automatically selects the best configuration. For this example, we'll only change the refresh rate. Once you've entered your settings, click on Test. If your monitor supports the new settings, you'll see a message saying the test was successful. Click Yes to save the custom resolution. After saving it, your new resolution will appear in the resolution list inside NVIDIA Control Panel, and you can select it anytime. And that's it. That's how you create and save a custom resolution in NVIDIA Control Panel. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more PC tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.